Hi there, we got today Alcatel 1. It's 5033G and the phone is just vibrating while we try to switch it on. So I assume there was a water damage sticker here, but the customer say he dropped the phone and we can see that it's broken as well. But the LCD is like this, so we're going to open it and see what is happening in there. So we're going to open 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 screws. This is what we can see. I'm gonna open the screws, just gonna pause the video here. So once the screws are open, you can just put your tool or your finger or your nail. I have grown 2 nails, the rest I cut them. This one is a bit stubborn, eh? For you to show you, I did close it back again. It's a bit hard to open. There are locks you can see on these points, and there is your power flexi and keypad flexi. Just be careful around there. It's quite hard, too many clips around it. So that's look like, okay, this is water damage as I said you. So we'll try with the new LCD. If it does work, fine, otherwise we need to fix the water damage also. So I showed it to the customer because I didn't want any other trouble later on. This is your camera, that I think front camera, vibrator motor, and it should release the board. But sometimes this cheapy phones, you know, they are very hard to. Okay, there is one clip here. So now that the board is separated, I think the touch will come out first from front, but when I drop the front camera, I'll pick it up. Just let's see, we need to clean this to see that if it works or not. I have cleaned it and tested it with the new LCD. This didn't want to work. I did clean that also, but it didn't want to work. I'm just gonna solder it to try, maybe it works. It didn't work out even cleaning and soldering it, so we're going to remove the board now. Don't forget to loosen this thing. Your volume and power flexi is connected, I think, with the board. No, it's not connected with the board, otherwise it could have broken. For the first time I didn't even notice it. So you can paste it back. Now we know that it's not connected to the board, and thank God it's not. Put the board aside. That's your touch. We're going to heat up a bit, and I'm using nowadays a hair dryer to do that. On a medium heat, we're going to heat up so we can remove the touch. My touch is broken, so I have to be extra vigilant with it. There is a rubber here. Let's put it here. I did heat up enough, so it's loose from here now. I'm gonna try to open it. रुपये जब नाल रिकॉर्डिंग भी हो रही है तो फिर बाद च से it's gonna lift up with the LCD. Okay, it's better that if we remove it with the LCD first.
This one.
Gently.
You pay how much I got it. Don't pay extra.
I will deposit 520 September.
20 September, all money you pay.
I suppose pay all.
Yeah.
If you give me now,
No, how much you pay deposit?
I will deposit 500.
500.
चलो कर लेंगे कोई नहीं.
मैंने क्या है?
हाँ जी, क्योंकि मैंने किया सी मेरे नहीं के.
हाँ, मैंने बताती उन्हें मैंने क्या तुझे क्या बना दो एडी सियानी वीडियो तो नहीं कर रहे थे.
So we're going to push it, and this thing we don't want to break because we need to use the same touch. Let's move this thing out so we can work freely. Once the flexi is out, now we can work freely. Sorry about all this up and down of the video. This phone LCD was very expensive, plus it's very difficult to open. Or maybe I'm just doing extra care because of the broken touch. Okay, it's stuck here. Now I'm wondering what is it stopping it. Okay, there we go. So now you can see we already almost deassembled all the phone. Now we need to separate it from the LCD. I'm gonna heat up a little bit more. I did inserted this after heating it. Here we will be a little bit careful. What's too many? Now the LCD is separated from the touch. I've tested the LCD, so I'm gonna remove this plastic. There is a bubble in the corner. Once it is removed, before you remove this, make sure you have tested the LCD. I did already. I'll show you in the end. I'm gonna put some glue around here.
ਹਲੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਸੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੂਰੇ 5 ਦੇ 6 ਤੋਂ ਲਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਵਜੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਸੀ
ਮੇਰੇ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਨਾਲ ਨਾ ਉਹਦੀ ਥਾਂ ਤੇ ਨਾ ਉਹ ਆਇਆ ਡਿਸਟੈਂਸ ਰੈਡਮੋਟ ਦਾ ਸਿਸਟਮ
ਹਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਸਿਰਫ ਡਿਸਟੈਂਸ ਆਇਆ
ਉਹ ਸਿਸਟਮ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖੇ ਉਹ ਬਣੀ ਨਾ
और ड्रेसिंग टेबल की गल हो रही है साहब
ਡਰੈਸ ਬੋਲਦੇ ਨੇ ਕਿ
जी
ਡਰੈਸ
so you pull it in now we can okay ji Allah Hafiz. Assemble our board. This rubber has to go back.
ਚੰਗਾ ਫਿਰ ਮੈਂ ਚੱਲਿਆ ਫਿਰ
घर जा रहे
ਆਪੇ
घर चले हो
ਹਾਂਜੀ
खलोइयो की करना जे घर जाके
ਜੀ
खलोइयो मैं क्या की करना जे okay we forgot the front camera I dropped it let me just pick up so we can attach the cameras now front back board you must just press it to its place there must be a clip here also vibrator to its place you can put a touch here back
ਬੰਦੇ ਦੀ ਬੜੀ ਸੀਟੀ ਹੈ ਸੀਟੀ ਦੀ ਮਾਰਦਾ ਹੈ ਬੜੀ ਸੀਟੀ
put the back cover back here we go so put the screws back this is how we change LCD on Alcatel 1 complete assembly and touch and LCD replacement. Thank you very much until next time, goodbye. Please subscribe my channel, I need subscribers. Thanks a lot.